Hi there. Thanks for your interest in our MoJo plugin for 3ds Max. It's designed for productive artists who use many of the SiNi plugins in their daily work. Our aim is for artists to select their favorite SiNi tools and assemble them all together in a single UI. Artists create their bespoke tool widgets that are unique to their needs and workflow. My recommendation is don't clutter it. Keep it simple. To start with, you can see if I open a few plugins at the same time, the viewport quickly disappears. Now, if I close these, and from the top menu, I'll open MoJo. The first time you open MoJo, you'll be presented with a sample widget. Remember, these are the same tools found in the plugins, as you can see if I reopen the plugin. But now in widget form, meaning you can arrange them as you like. If I right-click over the widget, a menu appears. I can edit the group or delete it. Below these, I'll select Toggle Tabs, and the MJ tab will appear on the widget, allowing me to move it. I'll also click Resize and Icons on Left. Resize allows me to scale the widget's width. I'll also resize the MoJo UI as I want it in vertical format. I forgot to mention, to learn more, click on the question mark on the header to open the help docs. Right, so I'll now add more widgets. To do this, click on the Add button. This will open the widget builder. On the left is a list of all the tools available to assemble into widgets on the right. You can sort this by plugin by clicking the top drop-down. Next, choose how you want to lay out MoJo, vertically or horizontally. I'll stick with vertical. Then start selecting by double-clicking the item in the list. You'll see they are added to the right. You can reorder these by holding the left mouse button, or right-click if you want to delete a tool. When done, make sure you name the widget. And in the bottom left, select the Organization tab to save the widget too. Then hit Save and close the UI. You'll see the widget has been created. Now, like before, resize and position it. That's all there is to it. It's designed to be simple. We plan to add a lot more to it, but we'd love to get your feedback and suggestions. Drop the team a support ticket from your account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.